Hello! Our lunch for today is tosilog. Yan. One for hubby, one for me. Egg ko mamaya pa. I'm waiting for the delivery. And we're cleaning our fridge, our small fridge. So, there you go. Our lunch for today is tosilog. Kain tayo. And again, finally, magkasabay kami ni Habi kumain. Our dosilog with suka and juice while watching. Super hot. Hindi ako lumabas dahil super hot. Dito kami sa bahay. With AC and electric fan na. Sakit pa rin ako. Mortadella sandwich and a juice. Kasi marami na kami kinain na rice kanina. So, kain tayo. Kain tayo. I'm about to go to work now. Finish my sandwich for dinner. I guess I will end the vlog now.
No crime, no real crime. Eating disorders, no attempted suicide, nothing.
Ha?
Absolutely first. I'm so, you know what,
Ma'am Di, alis ka na.
I should check it out. Check it out.
Alis ka na. Bye. Ingat, Daddy. Good night. Love you.
That's a freaking duet. So I walk in the bathroom and there she is, my brother. And then I grab my brother and throw him through the
Bye,
window.
Daddy. Ingat.
Broke his leg in two different places.
Well, now it's 11 o'clock.